Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off display profile when sharing links. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. And here in the App Store, what you need to do is in the search bar type TikTok and make sure that the TikTok app is downloaded and updated to the latest version. As you can see, an update is available, so go ahead and download this. Once your TikTok is updated to the latest version, simply go to your TikTok, and after that, go to your TikTok profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down all the way, and as you can see, display profile when sharing links. Simply turn this off. Now your TikTok profile will not be displayed when people open links you shared outside of TikTok. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.